Hello everyone, this episode features a tire retreading system and 3 more technologies. Number 1. Retreading technology. This is a fully automated tire retreading system. Made in Italy by Marangoni, it's called the Ring Builder. It's a complete solution for retreading large tires. It can produce at least 200 ring tread tires in 8 hours, while taking a small space and saving processing time. It extrudes the cushion gum directly on the tire's casing. Fill the craters, then apply and suitably roll the ring, to create a tire that's ready to be cured and be installed. Number 2. Osseointegration procedure. Osseointegration is a life-changing surgery that inserts a metal rod inside the human femur that allows a prosthetic limb to attach directly to the human body to be just like your own limb. It makes your walking more stable and safer. Osseointegration feels natural and designed to be comfortable. This surgery will help many people with an amputation. Number 3. Gyroscopic stabilizer for boats. This gyroscope stops you from getting seasickness. Meet the seakeeper that can stabilize any boat. It's computer controlled and eliminates boat rolls that result in fatigue and unnecessary seasickness. When the boat rolls, the gyro tilts fore and aft, producing a gyro torque counteracting the effect. Spot the difference? It's lightweight and can be fitted anywhere on board. Your guests go from being sick to smiling. Number 4. 3D printed house. This is a 3D printed house that costs about $10,000. Using a mobile 3D printer, they are built by Apis Core and will last for 175 years. The 3D printer is fed the home structure and left to finish the job within 24 hours. Windows and interiors are installed manually. The mobile printer can build the house on-site or away at the factory and deliver to location. The 409 square feet homes have an open layout with a living area, kitchen, bedroom and a bathroom. Thank you for watching today's episode, my friends. Let me know in the comments which invention you like the most. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.